Hello listeners, myself Dr. Sapna Nagpal, and in this video we will learn simple animation tricks with PowerPoint. I show you one animation. See, this is one simple but attractive animation which is done in PowerPoint. In this, boxes are sliding in your slide and your animation is looking very catchy. You can also put your points. So let's see how we can do it in PowerPoint. First of all, open the PowerPoint and in the first slide, just change the layout to blank and in the insert shape corner, select hexagon shape or you can take any other closed shape also. I draw one hexagon and I place it in the center of the slide. In insert tab, I insert text box in it and I write my point on it. You can write your point. I write first box. I am just placing this text box in the center of this hexagon. I select this text box and hexagon and I press Ctrl G to make it a group. And in animation tab, add animation option. In motion path, I select line and in effect options, I select right to move this line to the right of the slide. I take this hexagon to the starting position from the left side and I drag the right side to the end of this slide, and this is what the path I want this animation to move. So this is the animation. Now what I do is I copy and paste this. So the object and animation both are copied and I just place it to the left of this first hexagon. So this is how I copy the box and animation. Now what I do that I keep on copying and pasting, and in this way I'm just putting the hexagon to the left side. So I'm doing it for 6 times, means I am placing 6 hexagons in this slide, one after other in the left side. So you can change the text on these hexagons as per your points. This is only demonstration. So I'm not changing the text, and in shape fill I'm changing the color of these hexagons. So by changing the colors we can make them look attractive. So you can take any color of your choice. So I change the colors of these boxes, and after that in the format background option I take the background color of this slide. So what I do next is in animation tab in the start option I keep the option on click for the first hexagon and after previous for all other 5 hexagons, so that the first hexagon starts the animation once you click and all other hexagons move automatically after a delay. So this is preview. So the animation is working perfectly fine. So this is how we can achieve this. So I just start slideshow to see how it is looking. Yes, in the slideshow we can see that the animations are working perfectly as we have desired. So you have seen that this is very simple and beautiful animation. So thank you friends, and do like this video and share this video with your friends.